Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to upgrade your PIP to the latest version. So let's get started. So first just open command prompt and let's check the current version of our PIP. So it's going to be pip space hyphen version. So this will give us the current PIP version, which is 23.1.2. So for upgrading this to the latest version, we will be running the command pi-m pip install --upgrade pip. So I'll just copy this and I'll just paste it over here and hit enter. So here you can see my earlier version was 23.1.2 and it has currently uninstalled that, and the latest version is going to be 23.2.1. So it's updated the version, and if I again run pip --version, here you can see this time I'm getting 23.2.1, so the version has upgraded. So this is how you upgrade PIP to the latest version in Windows. I hope you would have found this video useful. Do check the playlist of my channel. I run a lot of videos in Python and AI related too. Check them out, subscribe me. Thanks for watching.